Welcome to Block 7. Today, we're going to thoroughly explore an extraordinary single-family house nestled in a beautiful forest area. Let's delve into cOncrete house designed by PL.Architekci in Poznan, Poland. This house was specifically designed for a family of 4, situated on a picturesque, forested plot. The initial concept was to create a single-story residence constructed entirely from concrete. The investors sought a material that could age gracefully in the forest environment and required minimal maintenance. From the outset, the vision for this project was to create a house that would harmonize with the surrounding trees and blend naturally with its environment. To meet functional needs, the building was divided into 3 distinct zones: the day zone, the night zone, and the garage zone, all interconnected by a spacious glass corridor. This layout not only ensures connectivity between different parts of the house, but also allows abundant natural light to flow into every corner. Thus, the residents can enjoy the beautiful outdoor views without compromising their privacy. The day zone comprises the living room, dining area, and an open kitchen, creating a spacious and comfortable social area. This zone is designed to be the family activity center, with large windows offering direct views of the surrounding forest, bringing a sense of tranquility and peace into everyday life. The minimalist yet elegant furniture adds to the modern and functional appeal. The night zone, consisting of bedrooms and bathrooms, is designed to provide maximum comfort and privacy. Each bedroom has direct access to the glass corridor, allowing natural light to enter and offering soothing outside views. The interior design uses a neutral color palette and natural materials to create a calming and comfortable atmosphere for rest. The garage zone, in addition to serving as a parking space, also includes extra storage space and direct access to the house. This ensures that the house remains tidy and organized, with all daily necessities easily accessible. Each building volume is enclosed with sturdy concrete frames. These frames serve a dual purpose, providing functional roofing and establishing a visual connection between the building and the forest. The extended roof supports reach deep into the forest, creating an interactive relationship with the natural surroundings. Additionally, the incorporation of organic shapes into each roof softens the otherwise angular structure and allows natural light to enliven the building's facades. Plantings in each of the openings accentuate the seamless integration of the building into the landscape. Concrete dominates virtually every aspect of this house, from the roofs and floors to the driveways and walls. The use of concrete in conjunction with circular shapes results in a truly concrete home. In stark contrast, concrete is combined with wooden facades that smoothly transform into furniture cladding when viewed from the outside. This blending of materials blurs the boundaries between interior spaces and the outdoor garden, resulting in a unique symbiosis of architecture, nature, and the inhabitants. The uniqueness of this house is also evident in its meticulously designed interior details. The interior designers from PL.Architekci used a combination of natural materials such as wood and textiles to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. The use of custom-designed furniture and strategic lighting adds a modern and luxurious touch to every room. With a total area of 499 square meters, the house was completed in 2022. Photographed by cOncrete, this project involved structural engineers like Mikołaj Kujath and interior designers from PL.Architekci. Lead architects Bartek Bajin and Katarzyna Sinka-Bajin, along with their team comprising Joanna Sypniuska and Agnieszka Jurenko, successfully brought this extraordinary vision to life. Every design element, from the structure to the smallest details, demonstrates their dedication and expertise in creating a house that is not only aesthetically beautiful, but also functional and comfortable to live in. Thank you for joining us on this home tour of Concrete House here at Block 7. We hope this design provides you with inspiration and ideas for your future home. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. See you in the next video.